Good morning. Today we'll do chapter 9, area and volume. In class 4 you have done volume. Today we'll do area. What is area? The area of a closed figure is the amount of surface covered by it. I am showing you some examples. Here we have given 3 books. History book, maths book, and there is one GK book. You have to find out area of these 3 books. Look at these books cover. Look at these books covers. These are placed on a grid of small square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So every small square is equal to 1 unit. This maths book covered how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So area of this book is 20 square units. 20 square units. 20 square unit. And this book cover 12 squares. So area of this book is 12 square units and maths book is 20 square units. Now we have to find out area of each colored figure by counting the small squares. Here in this first figure all squares are colored. So what is the area of this figure? 1, 2, if we count squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So area of this figure is 12 square units. Square unit. Here square means 1 square. This figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So area of this figure is 10. Same you have to count squares and area will be if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares, so area will be 8 square units. Now area of rectangle. Look at this rectangle. We have given length 5 units, breadth 4 units. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. So this rectangle covers 20 square. So area will be 20 square units. So formula becomes area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. A is equal to L multiplied by B. Here L is 5 unit and B is 4 unit. If you multiply, it is equal to 20 square units. 20 square units. चाहे आप count करिए, चाहे formula से करिए, तो area will be the same. Area will be the same. So you have to learn formula of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. Now area of a square. In square all sides are equal. So we will write down area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side. हमने बेटा L multiplied by B क्यों नहीं लिखा? क्योंकि यहाँ पर in square all sides are equal. So we have written side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side. So formula of area of rectangle is L multiplied by B. Square is S multiplied by S means side multiplied by side. You have to learn these two formulas. Let's start exercise 9.1. Find the area of each of the following figures. The side of each small square is 1 unit. 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be the area of this rectangle? 8 square unit. Same way you will do all questions. Now question number B. Measure the length and breadth of each of rectangle and find its area. You have to measure length and breadth. So you will take scale and you will measure length and breadth. Suppose length is, you have to measure length and breadth and you will find out area is equal to L multiplied by B. Same way you will do all questions. You will measure with scale length and breadth, then multiply length by breadth. Question C. Find the area of each rectangle. In this question you have given length and breadth. You have to find out area. So in this question no need to measure length and breadth. It is given. So how will you do this question? First we will write L is equal to 8 centimeter. B is equal to 5 centimeter. You have to find out area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So formula is L multiplied by B. Now 8 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. 8 5s are 40. 40 square centimeter. It is a unit of area. Square. Here we have given centimeter, so you will write centimeter. If meter is given, so you will write meter. अगर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर में है तो आंसर आएगा स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर में. अगर यूनिट मीटर में है तो आंसर आएगा स्क्वायर मीटर. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन. यू हैव गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. L is equal to 15.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 8.2 centimeter. So you have to find out area. Formula is L multiplied by B. It means you have to multiply length and breadth. 15.5 centimeter multiplied by 8.2 centimeter. First you will multiply 155 by 82. Here decimal given 10. Now multiply by 8. So 01712. Now you have to put decimal. Here decimal is given before one digit and one digit. 1 plus 1 2 digit. So you put decimal here. So answer is 127 decimal 10 square centimeter. Beta, it's compulsory to write square because it is area. The unit of area is always in square. You can also write like this, centimeter square. This is symbol of square, centimeter square, or you can write square centimeter. Okay, now question D. You have given find the area of square. Here square is given. I am taking question number 3. Side. We have given side is equal to 13 meter. 13 meter. We have to find out area of a square. So what is the formula? Side multiplied by side. 13 meter multiplied by 13 meter. We multiply 13 by 13. Answer is 169. So answer is 169. What? Square meter. Because side is in meter, so area will be in square meter. यहाँ पर अब आपको सेंटीमीटर नहीं लिखना because question is in meter, so answer will be in square meter. Or you how can you write 169 meter square? ये both things are same. आप इसको स्क्वायर को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो और मीटर के ऊपर स्क्वायर का सिंबल भी बना सकते हो. ओके, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन. यू हैव गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. साइड इज इक्वल टू 11.5 सेंटीमीटर. अब साइड है तो क्या है, ये स्क्वायर है. तो एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर इज साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड 11.5 centimeter multiplied by 11.5 centimeter. Now you will multiply 11.5 by 11.5. Now multiply by 1. Again multiply by 1. So answer is 13225. Now you have to put decimal before one digit. So 1 and 1 2. So before 2 digit. So answer will be 132.25 square centimeter. Because unit is in centimeter. So answer will be in centimeter. Okay. Now you have to do exercise 9.1. Bye bye. Have a nice day.